Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Monday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. As always, on Monday mornings, we are here broadcasting from the Panattoni Cafe. I'm here with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief. Good morning, Winston. How are you doing?
All right, Craig. All right, thanks. How are you?
Yeah, good, good. I'm always happy to get a good Panattoni coffee to kick off the day with.
Good start to the day.
Yeah, let us know what are the headlines for the day.
Yeah, the headlines from the EuropaProperty.com website for today, and by 2030, luxury retail market is expected to be worth around 580 billion euros. Warsaw ranks third in Europe for office occupier activity. Accor has opened a new hotel near Bucharest's airport, and changes to the management board of ISS Poland and the Baltics.
Oh, very interesting. Okay, great. Well, a lot of news today, yeah. So good to hear. This week we are going to be broadcasting a few days from Sopot, Poland, which is in the north of Tri-City area on the Baltic coast, because we're also doing our Baltic Real Estate Awards, which of course covers Poland, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, Scandinavia, the Nordics. So really a lot going on for that, and finalizing the last details, the last some of the jury members, and a couple new jury members. You might see a couple new sponsors you'll see posted up for that. So really a great event coming up. A lot of interesting people, of course, from Poland, from the Tri-City area, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia. It seems like we got quite a few nominations from Lithuania, Latvia. Yeah, I keep seeing them on the few from Scandinavia as well. So this will be our first event up there in Sopot. So definitely an interesting conglomeration of people. And if you're in the Scandinavia area or Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, looking for investors or looking to move into Poland or the CEE region, this is a good event to come to and to be part of, and also even stay for the weekend, because it seems like we're going to have very good weather there in the Baltic Riviera. It's already kicked off this week, so we'll see. But we hope for something really nice. So if you haven't already booked a table or tickets or some kind of sponsorship or participation to our Baltic Real Estate Awards, check out our website, balticrealestateawards.eu, or just drop us a message and we'd be happy to set you up. So having said that, we'll take a little break. We'll come right back with Winston Norman and the news. So welcome back, Winston. Great to see you. I hope you had a good weekend.
Thanks, Craig. Yeah, a lovely weekend. Okay, so we'll start today where research company Bain is forecasting that the global personal luxury market will grow by 5 to 7% by 2030, and this represents a total expansion of more than 50% to 580 billion euros, with brands continuing to drive sales growth through their own store network. Realizing this market potential will no doubt mean more stores globally, alongside upsizing existing stores in key markets. And international real estate company Savills, they've presented analysis of these findings, and they've identified the most attractive store expansion opportunities over the next 12 to 18 months. And some of the things they've recorded are: the luxury retail market saw an increase in activity of the clothing and accessory brands, while watch companies were ones to expand into new markets, and large global centers dominated new openings, especially in smaller markets that benefit from a specific customer profile and high number of tourists.
Well, that's good news for Central Eastern Europe, and I guess especially Prague with the tourists.
Yeah, certain countries and certain locations are obviously going to benefit from this global
Prague, Budapest,
expansion of luxury retail. Yeah. Moving to Poland, and in Warsaw, Cushman & Wakefield has summarised the first quarter of 2023 and trends shaping the Warsaw office market, which came third among European countries. The Polish capital is entering a phase of renewing leases made in the peak years of 2018-2019 Another positive is the development of prospective new construction starts in the city's central zones. Cushman & Wakefield predict new projects will experience the strongest upward pressure on rents. And according to Johanna Blumert, she's head of occupier service at Cushman & Wakefield, in 2023, the Warsaw office market has entered a period of renegotiating leases made in its peak years of 2018 to 2019. The increased focus on renewals expected to commence anytime soon is likely to boost office demand throughout 2023. And economic uncertainty reflected in worsening economic indicators is, however, likely to weigh heavy on this year's total leasing activity.
Well, it sounds like lots going on, or will be going on. Releasing, you never know how that's going to go, but
Yeah, I wonder what sort of terms they're going to get.
if I'm a landlord, I'll want to keep those tenants, I think. So
Yeah, I
motivated,
thought so, yeah.
motivated to keep them, yeah.
Moving to Romania, and Accor has opened a new Ibis Styles hotel near the international airport, Henry Coanda. This is the 5th Ibis hotel opening in Romania, and the new hotel will be operated under the agreement branch of ABS Holdings. And the recently opened Ibis features 84 modern guest rooms, and the hotel is located 16 kilometers from Bucharest's old city centre. And finally, for today, ISS, a leading facility management company, has announced that Carolina Wild has been appointed country manager for Poland and the Baltics. Carolina was previously responsible for one of ICS Global key accounts in the banking sector and will fully take over her new role by the 1st of August in 2023. And according to Carl Frederick Langard Bior, he's the CEO of Northern Europe ISS. The transformation of our business in Poland and the Baltics is the result of implementing the One SS strategy, focused on the right segments and working to increase our share in this market.
Well, yeah, great. Sounds like ISS is growing quite a bit. Yeah, I mean, it's facilities management, important part of the whole process.
Certainly is.
Well, thank you for all watching the Coffee with Craig show today, and we will see you in Sopot on Thursday. Thursday morning, we have a great conference forum covering hotel, of course, this time, warehouse, office, and retail. So that's in the morning, and then in the evening, of course, the gala dinner, gala awards. So we'll see you on Thursday. But anyway, we'll see you in person on Thursday. And for the news, see you tomorrow. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.